Hey guys, let's find some hidden money by finding some hidden niches in Redbubble. Today we'll be talking about how you can find hidden niches within redbubble.com. It happens so many times that you find something that is, after you do after you do your research, you will find some cool keywords or find things that are selling really, really well on other websites such as the Amazon, and you want to replicate, or you want to, go in and jump onto the niche, and you want to do certain designs, and you have great ideas, but you go into Redbubble and you find that that niche is fully saturated. I mean, like, you have like thousands or hundreds of thousands of results on it, and you don't know how you will be able to stand out, especially if you're just starting out. So how do we tackle this? Okay, I will show you one method of how I find hidden niches within Redbubble. I use Merch Informer for my product research mostly, and if I go to product research in Merch Informer and I go to Trend Tracker, I will be able to track some of the trends according to their average BSR. Okay, and you can click on and see which one you want to go according to. Okay, I'm going to go into like really niche down, so I'm just going to search for the 1 month period and the average BSR of 0 to 100,000. Okay, BSR is actually best-selling rate, and if you go down, you'll find some really cool okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, once you go down, you will actually see, like the estimated sales, average prices, and the reviews and stuff. If you click on each of them, you'll be able to go into their different websites and Amazon, Merch by Amazon shirts, and you'll be able to see the details of it. You can purchase from there and so on. But if you want to go into the niche like something like this, or let's just go further down and see what we have. These are like really the ones that are trending right now. See, these are all very good BSR, so you can find the trends, whether they're going up, going down. Okay, so when you go all the way, see some cool designs, so you can choose which one you want to go into. Let's see, let's just do some more searching. Okay, these are all most of them you'll find in the very competitive niche will either be very too niche down, or if they will be either be copyrighted, so stay clear of them. Okay, this is very popular in our Black History for this month. Okay, this looks really cool, and this looks copyrighted. This is from the Lion King, this monkey, but I want to use this Chill Out. You can see that the average BSR is dropping, so I want to do something with this. Okay, so I'm going to go over to redbubble.com and I'm going to type in Chill Out. Okay, when I go and type in Chill Out, see what happens. Let's see how many results we get. Oh, we get 16,543 results. And if you're going to do design for this niche, and we won't be able to stand out unless we are into tag spamming, which I don't encourage and I don't want you to be doing. So this is not a tag spamming, but I think this is a fairly old design since they're number 1, and this is most relevant. Let's try the best selling one. Okay, you see best selling is this, and this is also okay. This one looks kind of cool. I wonder you can try and recreate something like this, but I don't want to compete in this niche. What can we do? I can try and type in maybe vintage Chill Out. Okay, see what happened. The results drastically dropped. So this vintage Chill Out niche is not as competitive as the Chill Out niche. We can but since we're trying to replicate something that is text based, I'm going to go and type in text, vintage Chill Out text. Okay, see, this is a niche that we can compete in. Vintage Chill Out text. It's not fairly new, it is not very saturated, so we can start designing for this niche. So This is how you actually find niches that you can compete in and that you can make sales. Chill out is actually trending, and the average BSR is quite good. Okay, if you take out this chill out meditation, okay, chill out meditation, you can actually use chill out meditation. That is not a problem. Let's try chill out meditation. Okay, this one also has 1,000 of results, so stay away from it. And if you want to, I will just stick to the vintage text. Okay, I can use a meditation as a tag in my as a tag, so it could actually show up when people search for chill out meditation, so it will actually show up. Okay, text, or you can say vintage chill out meditation. This is how I play around and come up with find new niches. Vintage chill out meditation, so this is also kind of cute, so we can use this. There's another niche that we can then do, like yoga. Okay, and this is another niche. Mandala is also a very good niche, so if you can mix them together, you could do good also. So this is how I narrow down and find my niches. So guys, try it out, and if you have any questions for me, do leave them in the comment section below. I will be happy to help. Hope you learned something from this video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.